The Panasonic HMC150. This camera will be your main tool as you venture through the challenging world of media production. Before you shoot your first video, however, there are some very important basics to be remembered. Outputs are located on the back of the camera to the right of the battery slot. Here is where you can enter your headphones. The XLR inputs are on the right side of the camera, just behind the lens. Match up the male end of your cable to the holes of the female side of the camera. Before adjusting audio levels, make sure your channels are set to your XLR inputs. The internal option allows you to record sound from the camera microphone. Remember that phantom power is required for certain mics. This is adjusted with the buttons under input 1 and 2. Adjust your audio levels accordingly, making sure not to go into the red of the levels. To get correct color, make sure you have white balanced. Auto white balance is found on the front of the camera, just under the lens. Depending on the location you are shooting, you can adjust your neutral density filters accordingly. Remember that 1/64 will darken your image the most, and having your ND filter off allows the most light. This button allows you to choose whether your focus ring adjusts focus or the iris of the camera. Most camera operators choose to keep this option in focus. Make sure your iris is in manual so that you can achieve the light that you want, not the camera. The iris wheel is located here on the left side of the camera. Manual zoom is only possible when the camera zoom feature is set in manual. If you try to manually zoom while in servo mode, you risk potentially damaging the camera's motor. To switch between manual and servo, just flip the switch here. You know you are in manual mode when the zoom ring glides smoothly. Remember to have your focus on manual. If kept in auto, your focus will be adjusted by the camera, potentially causing you to lose focus on your subject. The focus ring is what allows you to decide what will be in focus. Once again, make sure this is in manual. If your camera will not power up, then make sure you have a battery in it. Our batteries are inserted in the cameras with pins down. Simply insert and slide down. When done shooting, press the button in the top left corner and slide your battery out.